Last year, we achieved a 100% pass rate, with students progressing to apprenticeships and university degrees in areas like cybersecurity, computer science, and business and IT. We're excited to introduce our brand new IT course, the AAQ in IT, which replaces the old BTEC with a fresh, modern approach. The course has 4 main units, 2 exam units and 2 coursework. You'll explore cybersecurity and incident management, learning how to investigate, manage threats and protect systems. You'll study information systems covering networking, hardware and software. You'll also dive into web development, where you code and design your own website, and finally databases, where you'll build and test a working system. Last year, we achieved a 100% pass rate, with students progressing to apprenticeships and university degrees in areas like cybersecurity, computer science, and business and IT. It's a challenge, but you'll be fully supported by our expert IT staff here at Holy Cross College to achieve your goals and take your next step. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing you soon.